Are you in pursuit of an energy storage system that guarantees reliability, versatility and scalability? Your search stops here with the ideal solution that ticks all the boxes. The R5000 from Kowint Energy is a versatile product suitable for both residential and commercial usage. At its core lies the LFP battery, renowned for its safety, extended lifespan and excellent thermal stability. With a life cycle of up to 6,000 times, long-lasting performance and reliability is ensured, making it a cost-effective and sustainable choice. It is well suited for a range of solar applications. Whether you have an on-grid solar system or an off-grid setup, the R5000 seamlessly integrates to provide efficient energy storage. A nominal capacity of 100 ampere-hours ensures large energy storage capability, allowing you to harness the power of solar energy effectively. With a nominal energy power of 5.12 kilowatt-hours, you can be sure of a consistent and reliable energy supply. An integrated battery management system ensures efficient energy monitoring and control, maximising its overall performance. Scalable design allows for the simultaneous operation of up to 32 battery modules. This offers flexibility and the ability to adapt the system according to varying energy demands, providing a solution that can grow with your needs. Its rack arrangement makes it an excellent choice for installations with limited space without compromising performance or capacity. Utilising specially designed brackets, it can also be conveniently mounted on the wall, offering an alternative installation option. Kowint Energy is a forward-thinking technology company that manufactures cutting-edge lithium energy storage solutions. With over 200 dedicated staff members and 8,000 square metres of sophisticated R&D and production facilities, we tirelessly work on improving our products. Our efforts help thousands of customers all over the world to enjoy the benefits of green energy.